In this video, I'll be walking you through step by step how to open a Bluevine business bank account. If you're looking to get started with an amazing business bank account, Bluevine is definitely the place to look. They have tons of amazing features plus an awesome track record, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get access to the best possible deal when getting started with them. Make sure to follow along inside of this video and don't skip around. If you do skip around, you could make a mistake in this process and things could get messed up. But without further ado, let's get into this walkthrough. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is hit the link down in the description box below. Once you click the link for Bluevine, you'll be taken to this page here. This is Bluevine's business checking account. As you can see, we're going to get about 2% in APY, no monthly fees, free standard checking account, and up to $3 million in FDIC protection. Our next step here is going to be clicking the open account button. Once we click the open account button, we're then going to start filling out some information. The first of these is filling out the entity type. Are we a corporation, a general partnership, a limited liability company, a limited liability partnership, a limited partnership, or a sole proprietor? For the sake of this video, we'll show you how to do an LLC. We'll click the LLC option, enter our first name, our email address, our phone number, create a simple password, and then hit the checkbox on the I agree to Bluevine's registration terms and privacy policy. Once we've done all of that, we can then hit the get started button. The next thing Bluevine will ask you is to tell them about your business. The first of these questions will be your legal business name. This will just be whatever the name of your business is. There's also the option to add a DBA or doing business as if you have that as an option. There's also your business address, which also is specified as not taking any PO boxes. Then there's also the apartment or suite number, your work phone number, your website if you have one, your annual revenue or projected revenue, and then your tax ID or EIN number. There's also the industry that you're in. They have a ton of different industries that you can choose from. We'll go ahead and select educational services for the sake of this video. Once we select that, we then could have a sub-industry option if it's applicable, and then we can add the number of employees that we have. Once we have all of this information filled out, we'll then hit the next button. Once we get past that page, it will then take us to this page. As you can see, this is the tell us about yourself page. We have our first name, our last name, our home address, our apartment or suite number, our date of birth, and then our social security number. We'll also have our mobile phone number, the percentage of business owned by us, so how much of a percent we have. If we're in a partnership, that could be different, or an S Corp or an LLC. And then there's this question, which is, other than you, are there any individuals who own 25% or more of the business? You can either answer yes or no to this. Then there's also down here a couple of different special features like special offers and obviously promotional updates that you can choose to either turn on or turn off. Once you have all this information filled out, you'll then hit the continue button, which will then take you to the verification page. On the verification page, you'll simply verify a bunch of information about your social security number and of course the actual information about your business, and then hit the submit button. In just a short matter of moments, you'll be able to get approved for a business bank account with Bluevine and you'll be able to get started. Now that we've talked a little bit about Bluevine, let's talk about some of their main features that you'll want to consider if you're thinking about getting started with them. The first of these is that Bluevine offers no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirement. This is a huge benefit, especially if you're a business just getting off the ground. It can be super annoying to pay those monthly fees or have a minimum balance requirement that you have to have at all times. One of the other benefits about not having a balance limit is that if you're a business with fluctuating cash flows, this can be super beneficial. Bluevine offers competitive interest rates on account balances, which is relatively rare for business checking accounts. One of the nice benefits about this is that interest is going to be compounded daily and paid out monthly. This can be especially beneficial for businesses looking to earn returns on their idle cash, especially if it's just sitting in your checking account. One of the other big benefits you'll get access to is the fact that Bluevine offers unlimited transactions. This means you can conduct an unlimited number of transactions without incurring extra fees. This even includes free account transfers, which of course are commonly used for payroll and vendor payments. This flexibility allows your businesses to manage their finances without worrying about transaction limits or additional costs. Bluevine also offers free incoming wire transfers. These free incoming wire transfers are a significant advantage for businesses that regularly receive payments via wire. Traditional banks often charge for this service, so this feature can help reduce overall transaction costs. Bluevine provides a robust online mobile banking platform as well. This means that if you want to access your Bluevine checking account from anywhere in the world, you can do so via their app or their website. The platform allows you to check things like balances, transaction history, and they even allow you to transfer funds and manage your account settings. They also support mobile check deposits, making it convenient to handle deposits without having to even visit a physical branch. Bluevine also has some super helpful integrated financial tools. This online banking platform also includes things like categorizing your expenses, tracking spending, and even generating financial reports. Bluevine also has FDIC insurance. This is basically insurance that makes sure that the account balance of your specific checking account never is at risk. If something were to happen, like the bank were to go out of business, you wouldn't have to worry about losing your funds. And with over $3 million of it, that's a pretty hefty sum. There's also seamless integration with accounting software that Bluevine offers as well. The account integrates with popular accounting softwares like QuickBooks and Xero. This feature automatically syncs your transactions and financial data with your accounting system, which of course streamlines your overall bookkeeping process. There's also also a great deal of customer support, and of course, they're always going to be able to answer your questions via phone, email, or live chat. The support team is trained to assist with any kind of issues that you have too, so you can rest assured that your problem does have an answer or a solution. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you guys are interested in getting started with Bluevine, make sure to use the link down in the description. Also remember that using that link and getting signed up with them does support this channel, so thank you in advance. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button so you guys never miss any of our future videos. Other than that though, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys in a future video.